Welcome grade 6. Today we are doing another revision for geography, and this is term 4. The one that we did first was term 3. So these videos are for revision purposes. It does not necessarily mean that I have gotten insight as to how is your exam paper going to look like. So, all right. If you are a parent here, please gather all my grade 6 because we are going to do another important revision today. Welcome to my classroom. I am Sir Rudolph Mathumbu. I am a professional teacher. I hold a degree in education and I am SAYS registered. If you need revision with all CAPS aligned subjects, you are in the right place. Please subscribe for more revisions. If you need private tutoring, please contact me using the contact details provided in the description of this video. Okay, let's get into today's lesson. Straight away we go to the instructions. The instruction says there will be 2 parts to this paper. So we will have a section A and a section B. So section A will be based on the climate and vegetation, whereas section B will be based on population. 2. Please read the questions carefully. Check your answer carefully and have fun. So straight away we go to section A. Straight away we go to section A, which is climate and vegetation. Question 1 has got 10 marks. So here they say you match column B with column A and write only the letter. You write the letter under the number, like for an example 1.1 is F. So that's how you write them. All right, let's get to it. Number 1 says tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest matches with what? Okay, let us go through the definitions on the right. So tropical rainforest means show the amount of rain that different areas received for a whole year. No. Sleep or rest for the whole season? No. These tree tops block out a lot of sunlight? No. Move from place to place? No. They are forests that grow in hot areas where there is a lot of rain. And the answer is yes. So tropical rainforests, they are forests that grow in hot areas where there is a lot of rain. 1.2 Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert. So what is Atacama Desert? Is it, okay, maybe this time let us start this side. Is it the loss of homes for animals? No. Small trees and shrubs? No. The barrel cactus? No. When the air in an area feels hot and wet? No. South America? Yes. So this desert is found in South America. All right. Native Americans. Native Americans. All right, let's start this side again. Loss of homes for animals? No. Small trees and shrubs? No. The barrel cactus? Yes. So native Americans are known as the barrel cactus. The barrel cactus. So that's 1.3. We go to 1.4. 1.4, understory. Understory. Understory, does it show the amount of rain that different areas receive for a whole year? No. Does it sleep or rest for the whole winter? No. These trees tops block out a lot of sunlight? No. Moves from place to place? No. Then this one is taken, this one is taken, and this one is not taken. When the air in an area feels hot and humid, is that the answer? No. This one is taken. Smaller trees and shrubs. Yes, the understory is smaller trees and shrubs. All right. We go to humid. Humid. What does humid mean? Does it mean loss of homes for animals? No. This one is taken. This one is taken. Is it when the air in an area feels hot and wet? Yes. So humid is when the air in an area feels hot and wet. 1.6. 1.6 says annual rainfall map. What is annual rainfall map? Let's start this side this time. Is a map that shows the amount of rain that different areas received for a whole year, and the answer is yes. So an annual rainfall map it shows the amount of rain that different areas receive for a whole year. All right. 1.7 says hibernation. Hibernation. Okay, this one is taken. Does it mean sleep or rest for the whole winter? And the answer is yes. When animals hibernate, they sleep or they rest for the whole winter. Canopy. Canopy. So canopy, what is canopy? Let's start this side. Is it a loss of homes for animals? No. This one is taken, this one is taken, this one is taken, this one is taken, this one is taken. This one, move from place to place? No. These tree tops blocks out a lot of sunlight, and the answer is yes. So canopy, these trees, they block out a lot of sunlight. We come to nomadic. Nomadic. All right, what are nomadic? It's move from place to place. So nomadic people, they move from place to place. Deforestation, the last one. Deforestation. This deforestation is the loss of homes for animals. Deforestation is a loss of homes for animals. So question 2. Question 2 says, write the layers of the vegetation in the sketch below. So the layers of the vegetation, you should know them. What are these layers of vegetation? So you should write their names here. So the first one, this layer is called emergent. So this layer is called emergent. So the second layer is called a canopy. It blocks a lot of sunlight, this one. So this one is called a canopy. So this one, it's called understorey. Understorey. Okay, the last one, it's called forest floor. So this is the floor part of it. So this is the forest floor. This is understorey, this is canopy, and this is emergent. So this is emergent, this is canopy, this is understorey, this is forest. So these parts, you label them like this. All right, question 3. Question 3 says, use the word bank below and place the animals in the correct environment. So we will use these words that are provided in this word bank and we place them in the correct environment. So grey owl, which environment does it live in? This one, which environment does it live in? So all right, if we take grey owls live in coniferous forest. So these are grey owls. So a grey owl lives in coniferous forest. All right, now we come to dart frogs. Dart frogs, they live in the tropical rainforest. These are dart frogs. All right, now we come to meerkats. Meerkats, where do they live? Meerkats, they live in hot desert. So meerkats in hot desert. The parrots, where does the parrots live? Where does the parrots live? They live in tropical rainforest. So the parrots, they live in tropical rainforest. And the last one, dromedary camel. The dromedary camel lives in a hot desert. So this is a dromedary camel, which lives in a hot desert. 3.2 says, would you live in a tropical forest or a hot desert? Give reasons for your answer. All right. I think a tropical desert, a tropical forest, a tropical rain forest. And this is hot and sometimes it's humid, but it has a lots of rain, and it has a lovely green forests. It has got wildlife and vegetation. So I will choose to live in a tropical rainforest. Question 4. Question 4 says, give 3 examples of the effect of deforestation. The effect of deforestation. Number 1, loss of homes for people and the loss of homes for animals. The second one, it can lead to flooding. Which is loss of plants and animals. The last one, no roots to keep water in the soil. So these are the effects that deforestation may have on the land. So we go to section B. And the section B is population. So question 1. Give the definition of the word urban. The word urban. What does it mean? An urban means an area with many buildings and roads, such as a city or town. It is where people live close together. So that is the definition of urban. 1.2 says give the definition for the word rural. We're done with urban. Now we are expected to define rural. So this is mainly countryside areas where there are farms and small villages. So people live further apart than in the cities. All right. 1.3 says underline the correct answer in the sentence. So here is the sentence. Most people choose to live in rural or urban areas. What is the correct answer that you underline? Most people, they love living in urban areas. Okay. 1.4 says, give a reason for your answer in 1.3. So you give a reason why you say most people prefer to live in urban areas. So people prefer to live in urban areas due to jobs. They find jobs in the urban area, or they find money in the urban area. Another reason is that the infrastructure in the urban area is good. So the condition of the infrastructures in urban areas are good. So another reason is that there is available water, unlike in the rural areas where you will have to go very far to fetch water. And there is entertainment as well. And people believe that they are living good life in the city. So they have a good lifestyle. 1.5. So 1.5 says, write the phrases below in the table provided. So these phrases that are here, they should be written in the table provided here. So this is the table that is provided. So, okay, reside in a rural area. Then advantage of residing in a rural area, you go there and you find light traffic. There are not traffic jams and what. The traffic there is light. That is the advantage of the rural areas. All right, another one, there's little noise. People are living far away from each other, far apart from each other. So as a result, there is no noise. Unlike here, you have got noise of trucks, trains, and taxis because we live close to each other. What are the disadvantages of living in a rural area? We still go to the phrases that we were given there and choose from them. All right. There is little work. There is no public transport. So those are the disadvantages. But when we go to the other side of the table, residing in urban area. What are the advantages of residing in an urban area? There is more work. So you easily get employed. And there is choice of schools. But what are the disadvantages? We always have polluted air, and we have constant noise. All right, so we're done putting the phrases into the table. So question 2 says, explain the population density in your own words. In your own words, what is population density? All right, population density is the number of people in a specific area where there are more people in an area. There is a higher population density. So 2.2. 2.2 says, which block below shows a higher density and which one shows a lower density population? Simple. This one shows a lower population density. So this one shows a low population density, whereas this one shows a high population density. So 2 says, look closely at the graph and answer the following questions. We look at the graph, we see we have got Eastern Cape, which is 169,966 kilometers square, or South Africa's 9-province land area. So this shows the land area that Eastern Cape has, the land area that Free State has, the land area that Gauteng has, the land area that KwaZulu-Natal has, the land area that Limpopo has, the land area that Mpumalanga has, the land area that Northern Cape has, the land area that Northwest has, the land area that Western Cape has. So this, you can see they say Northern Cape takes 30% of the land, Mpumalanga 6.3%, Limpopo 10%, KwaZulu-Natal is 7.7%, Free State is 10.6%, Eastern Cape is 13.8%, Western Cape is 10.6, Northwest is 8.6, Gauteng 1.1%. All right, let's go to the questions. So question 1 says, which province has the highest population density? And the answer is obvious. Gauteng is a small province, but it has got a lot of people. So the density there is very high. 2.3.2, which is the smallest province in South Africa according to its land area? So when you look at the graph that they gave us, the one that has got a small land area is Gauteng, because Gauteng has got 18,178 kilometer square, or square kilometers. So 2.3.3 says, which is the largest province according to its area? So the one that has got the largest area is Northern Cape. So Northern Cape is the largest province in South Africa according to its land size. 2.3.4, what is the population density of the largest province in the area? The largest province is Northern Cape, and they say, what is its population density? Do you think it is high or is low? So this, it has got less density. Or you can say less dense, or it leads, you can say less dense, not less dense, or least dense. This is not the dense of Umajaivan. This is the dense of density. 2.3.5 says, using the word infrastructure, say why this is the case. So, there is, or there are mainly small towns. It has little infrastructure. So Northern Cape province has mainly small towns, and it has little infrastructure. So 2.3.6 says, which is the second biggest province according to its land area? Which one is the second best? When we look at the graph that we are given, the one that is second best is the Eastern Cape. The Eastern Cape province. So the first one is Northern Cape province, The second one is Eastern Cape Province. It has 169,966 kilometers square, whereas Northern Cape has 372,889 kilometer square. So 2.3.7, which two provinces, so here they want two provinces which are the same size according to their percentages. So when we look at the map, we find that Western Cape together with Free State they have exactly the same size. So as a result, they are the same. So 2.8 says the actual area land of the two provinces above is not exactly the same. What is the difference in their area? Okay, the difference, okay, let's start like this. Western Cape has 129,462. So Free State has 129,825. So when you take this one and you subtract this one, you will be left with 363 kilometer square. So this is the difference between these two provinces. Okay, we are done with today's revision. Thanks for watching this video up until this point. It shows that you are serious about your education. Remember, if you want to learn something, repetition is the mother of all learning. So it is very important that you keep on repeating this video until you grasp all the concepts that are explained here. If you feel that there are some things that I didn't cover in this video, please do not hesitate to put it in the comment section.